the Morning Girls here, and today we're going to be opening Fidgets.
But I already opened mine.
Below.
I already opened mine.
She didn't get any Fidgets, but I got Fidgets.
I didn't. Well, I did get.
So first I have these mini pop tubes.
So I got this.
Whoopee cushion.
Ready? Whoopee cushion. And I also got.
This is
an ultra rare these. This is an ultra rare one. This one's just regular. And the rest.
These pop tubes are so good.
And here.
It's even cuter because they're mini.
You can also use it as a necklace or a bracelet.
Okay, next I have this Pop It.
Yep. It's a rhinoceros.
And it's a rhinoceros, yes. It is smaller than you guys think. Look at how small it is. But it has really good pops.
The rhinoceros. There's the rhinoceros person. Here it
Adorable.
is.
Next up I have this other Pop It.
Yeah, this pop's super good actually.
This one doesn't have a good pops on this side, but the other side is really good. I'll show you. This side is very good. Okay, next up is this ball.
We got some scissors.
This Orbeez stress ball.
Okay, can I just place one?
Ooh. Let's see if it could stick on the ceiling. Oh my goodness, look. It sticked on the ceiling.
Oh no. We need some help, guys.
We don't need help. It will eventually come down. And these are all the Fidgets that I got. I was gonna get 2 other ones. Sorry, I think 3, but too expensive.
Wait, what was it?
Not gonna tell you. So, this is Kira. This is Kira.
This is Mila.
And we are the Morty Girls. See you guys. Please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. And this is Kira.
And this is Mila again.
And we are the Morty Girls. See you guys next time. Bye.